Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. We're going to talk about the classification of matter today. First of all, matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. And we're going to look at how we can take matter apart and what it means. All right, first of all, if you have some matter, can it be separated? If yes, you would say it's a mixture. If no, if you can't separate by ordinary chemical means, then it's a pure substance. Now, if it's a pure substance, we need to know this. Can it be decomposed by ordinary chemical means? If you say yes, then it's a compound. And if you say no, then it's an element. See, elements can't be broken down by ordinary chemical means. They're in the simplest form. Compounds are what we call substances that have two or more elements that are chemically combined. So let's look at the mixture side. So the first thing we want to know is the mixture, is the composition uniform? So let me go ahead and write that down. Is the composition uniformed? And if you say yes it is, then you have something called a homogeneous mixture, and it's also known as a solution. Okay? If you say no, then you have a heterogeneous mixture. And that mixture is different throughout. You know, things like salad dressing, for example. Italian salad dressing, not every cubic centimeter of that same salad dressing has the exact same number of spices, peppers, whatever in it. In homogeneous mixtures, say like salt water or Kool-Aid, every cubic centimeter of that liquid has the same concentration of particles as every other cubic centimeter. So anyway, so to review real quickly, classification of matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Can it be separated? If it can, then we have something called a mixture. If it cannot, then you have a pure substance. If it is a pure substance, you have either compounds or elements as far as that goes. So can it be decomposed by ordinary chemical means? If it can, that means it can't be broken down. The substance can be broken down into simpler substances. It's what we call a compound. If you can't break it down by ordinary chemical means, that substance, that pure substance, is an element. And by the way, both elements and compounds are pure substances, unless they've been contaminated. Now getting back to the mixture. So you want to know, is the composition uniformed? If it is uniformed, then it's a homogeneous mixture. And that means every cubic centimeter is the same as every other cubic centimeter. And if it's not, and if it's different, then it's what we call heterogeneous mixture, which means different throughout. Well, you guys have an awesome day, and we'll see you back here at Moose and Chemistry.